Hello and welcome to section 4 of Apache Storm training. In this section, we will learn how to create our first Storm topology. In this section, we will learn how to develop a spout class which will emit the numbers. We will learn how to develop a bolt class to perform the calculation. We will develop a bolt class to print the result in the console. We'll develop a topology class which will bind the spouts and the bolts. And finally, we will execute this entire application in Eclipse. Let's go ahead and first understand the problem statement. In this video, we are going to take a look on our problem statement, that's number square, and also we will see how our Storm components will perform their operations. So the basic problem statement that we are going to solve here is we will create a data source in our spout which will emit some set of natural numbers. Those natural numbers will be accepted by the bolt. The bolt will accept the natural number and perform squaring. Once he performs the squaring, the output will be given to another bolt which will actually display the result in the console. So when you talk in terms of Storm components, the first component that we will design is a spout. In this case, this spout will be responsible to generate and emit the numbers in the form of tuples. So the responsibilities, as we discussed, is to generate the natural number and to emit the number tuple. So whatever number is being emitted, it will be later accepted by the square bolt. This square bolt is responsible for two things. One, for accepting the number from the number bout, and second, to perform square of the number received. And whatever is the result generated by this bolt will be given to the print to the console bolt, where this bolt will ensure that it will print the results back to the console. So these are the three major components that we will design. But to bind these components and to create an application out of it, we need to create something called as the topology. In this case, we will create number topology. This topology will be responsible for ensuring that the number spout will emit the tuple first to the square bolt. Then the square bolt will emit the tuple to print to the console bolt. After that, it will also ensure that this topology will be submitted to the cluster. So in this case, we'll be submitting the same to the local topology. And also we will ensure that this application will run for 5 seconds and then he will shut down the cluster.